Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to resolve if you're coming across an error message when attempting to play an audio or video file on your Windows computer, and it says that it cannot play it because another app is controlling your sound at the moment. So we're going to go ahead and jump right into it, and we're going to start by opening up the Start menu, type in Services. Best match to go back with Services right above App, so go ahead and left click on that. Scroll down until you find the Windows Audio service, and you want to go select Restart the Service over here on the left side. So once you're done with that, go ahead and see if you're still having the issue. If you are still experiencing a problem, you can now open up the Start menu, type in Device Manager. Best match to go back with Device Manager right above Control Panel, so go ahead and left click on that. You want to expand the Sound, Video, and Game Controllers section, so double click on that. And now whatever device is listed under here, you want to right click on it and then select Disable Device. Select Yes. And now you want to right click on it again and select Enable Device. And once you're done with that, close out of here. See if that has resolved your problem. Another thing you can try would be to go open up the Start menu. Type in Control Panel. You want to go ahead and open that up. You want to select the sound option, so if you don't see that here, you want to change your view by up here to either large or small icons and then select sound. Select your speaker here, whatever the one you're currently using, and then select the option that says Properties. Select the Advanced tab, and you want to uncheck the box where it says Allow applications to take exclusive control of this device, so uncheck that and then select Apply and OK. Once you're done with that, you can select Close, you can select OK, close out of here, and I would suggest restarting your computer and see if that resolves your problem. One further thing you can attempt would be to open up the Start menu, type in Troubleshoot. Best match to go back with Troubleshoot settings, so go ahead and left click on that. And now you want to scroll down underneath Get Up and Running and select Playing Audio, find and fix problems with playing sound, and select Run the Troubleshooter. So if it gives you any suggestions, I would suggest following along with them here, so just go ahead and do whatever you request. Select Next, and then hopefully it would have been able to resolve the problem as well. So I do hope that this brief tutorial was able to help you guys out, and as always, thank you for watching, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.